Good afternoon, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are in the world today. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the 5 key benefits you need to know before you join the $25 one-up system. All right. Now, as you guys know, I am a huge fan of this opportunity. I promote it heavily. You guys have seen my videos on this YouTube channel or on Facebook or on Instagram. But I want to go into a little bit more detail about the key components of the system and the key features that you need to know. Okay, number one, the platform allows you to brand yourself. What do I mean by that? Well, if you go into the My Account tab, you have the option to edit your Meet Your Sponsor page. Now, what that does, that allows you. Oh, hold on. Oh, I gotta log in again. Just give me 1 second. Didn't even know I was logged out. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so what that allows you to do, right? It allows you to put your information here, your social media links. It allows you to promote the businesses that you're a part of in your back office as well. And it allows you to brand yourself, to give a welcome video to your prospects, tell them who you are, what you're about, why you choose to promote this opportunity, and things like that. Okay. In addition to all of that, you also have the ability to edit the YouTube room. Now, what the YouTube room does, it allows you to add training videos that you create for your prospects. Okay, so you see the concept here. Your videos, your business opportunities, yourself. Okay, so that is a huge plus. It allows you to brand yourself. Number two, it gives you the ability to learn uh, learn about social media. Okay, in terms of Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. All right, so I know a lot of people tend to use these social media platforms for their business, and these training videos help you get situated with each platform, get you familiar with the ins and outs of the platform, and the key benefits that you need to know when it comes to these platforms. Okay. 3, in addition to all of that, you have access to additional funnel pages which help you promote different opportunities. So let's say, for example, if you're a part of the Fearless Mama or if you're part of the North American Motor Club, you have access to funnels inside of the system that you can use. Let me go down here. This is one of the Fearless Mama funnels inside. And this is, hold on, the daily residual system. Basically the North American Motor Club funnel here. You have 3 different funnels here. Well, a couple, right? A couple different funnels that you can use for that as well. All right. So if you're a member of those opportunities, this is great because you have a funnel already made for you with those opportunities, and you can promote your $25 one-up business inside of them as well. Okay. Number 4, of course, you already know about the options, the daily payment options, the 25, 100, 250, 500, and the $1,000 levels. You can make money with this every single day as long as you're willing to put in the work behind the opportunity. Okay. As you guys know, there are no monthly fees with the opportunity. There are no recurring payments or anything of that sort. Okay, so you have everything right here that you need in one platform. And number 5, the final feature of the system is the resources tab. This can help you get traffic for your business. This can help you learn about Facebook groups for your business. You also have a PowerPoint, which you can download and use it for offline marketing as well, if you choose to show it to people offline. All right. So everything that you need to be successful with the $25 one-off system is all right here in this little area and all right here in your back office. Okay. And those are pretty much the 5 keys that you need to know when considering a $25 one-off platform. At the end of the day, again, as you guys know, this platform is amazing. I am a huge fan of it. I support it 100%. And if you want to get started with it, or if you have any more questions about it, I encourage you to visit my website in the description section of this video and get started. Also, while you're on my site, you can leave me a message using the free voicemail service or click the button at the top that says message me, and you can message me for more details of the opportunity. Okay? So, with that being said, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I hope you guys consider $25 one up for your business. Take care and have a good one.